What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Kaspa is on steroids. It's on steroids, Adderall, Red Bull, testosterone. It is on everything to get you pumped because it is not stopping. I'm telling you. Insane chart, man. We're gonna dive into it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And if you hold cash or this is your first time to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell because we only bringing bangers on this channel, man. Go support my previous Kaspa videos. I got a full Kaspa playlist on my YouTube channel's front page right here. Now, we've been through a lot of the technology of Kaspa, and man, this project is such a beast, man. We are up 2x. If you guys were tuning into the channel when I first started covering Kaspa, man, around this range, around the 1.5 cent range, and look at it right now, going to 0.28, almost at 3 cent, guys. Almost at 3 cent. $1 Kaspa is incoming. $3 Kaspa is incoming. Do not fade a project like this, guys. My apologies for the background noise. There's a I live extremely close to like a track and field, sports field, where like schools have like you know, sporting events. So you know, we got the background noise of that right now. So that doesn't matter. We're recording. I gotta get these videos up for you guys, and I gotta talk about Kaspa, man. Kaspians, jeez Louise, man. This project is on steroids, and I'm telling you, it's gonna just keep crushing it. Like, it doesn't care what Bitcoin or the rest of the market is doing. Just like in the last year, it was literally the depths of hell in the bear market, and Kaspa was one of those projects that absolutely sent, right? And this was a bear market. So imagine when the markets are bullish. Imagine when we're in full bull cycle mode. Imagine with all the fuel to the fire Kaspa already has, how much more fuel will be added because we're in a bullish market, right? You got to think about that. People think 20 billion market cap is difficult for Kaspa to get to $1. I don't think so. You know, other people are calling for $2-3 for Kaspa. I wouldn't rule it out either, right? I really wouldn't rule it out, man. This project is absolutely a beast, and this uptrend, don't fight the trend, guys. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend, man. $33 million in market cap, $20 million in 24-hour trade volume. Binance and Coinbase listing for Kaspa. With this type of volume, these type of tokenomics, there's no doubt in my mind that Kaspa will get, you know, CZ's attention, Brian Armstrong from Coinbase's attention, Gemini, Kraken, even Robinhood, right? Because the full supply is basically out. I think CoinGecko has the exact tokenomics. The full supply for Kaspa is basically out. The only way to get more Kaspa is through mining, right? Which takes a long time because the market cap is so high, and the hash rate to mine now is super difficult to mine Kaspa, you know, for miners because it's so bullish, right? So yeah, man, like, it's absolutely crazy. It's great. It's an amazing project, man. This is the unicorn of this cycle, and like I was saying, like those tier 1 exchange listings for Kaspa, that's gonna happen easily. Like, this is the type of volume and market cap projects tier 1 exchanges will look at and be like, okay, we gotta list this one. Yeah, oh yeah, we gotta list this one. Yeah, the technology, everything about this, yeah. You're gonna see a Binance, Coinbase, even Robinhood listing for Kaspa before you know it, guys. I'm telling you. And yeah, man, we got some tweets from the Kaspa community, fellow Kaspians, and we also got some news with what's going on in the overall markets. Bitcoin is absolutely crushing it. Overall markets, Bitcoin crushing it, man, like god candles over here, from 25k to 31k, right? It was just at 31k, Ethereum crushing it, but Kaspa's about to overtake Ethereum before you know it, you know. But yeah, Ethereum kind of crushing it too. But yeah, oh, I deleted one of the tweets, my bad. From Eyal, I don't know how to pronounce your name, my apologies. Kaspa is a monstrosity of a coin. Kaspa best technology in crypto, instant transactions with Bitcoin like security and decentralization. Look at that, 72x, man. 72x for Kas, man, out of the whole markets, man. And it's gonna go up another 100x. It's gonna go up another 200x from here. Y'all think it's late. People think it's late, man. Y'all see what it did in the bear market? What's gonna cause it to like start to dump? We're literally getting, the market is literally going into bull cycle mode, right? So the most you're gonna get is minor corrections, and then the trend continues, in my opinion. Kas is trending. The whole world is talking about Kas. 4.2 million tweets. This is the greatest community of all time from Luffy. Kas, 4.2 million tweets, guys. Jeez, man. I'm telling you, this project is a monster. It is a beast. It is the unicorn of this cycle, just like Solana was, just like Cardano, Matic. This is the unicorn of this cycle. You can't fade this one, guys. From Cryptic Crypto, another reason why you're so all early with Kas, a lot for the people I think they're late, is that no big YouTuber yet covering this gem. In next week's video of Coin Bureau, he will be mentioning Kas as one of the top performing altcoins for this week. Imagine some of the 2.2 million subscribers will see Kas for the first time. I remember when Pepe was exploding, not to mention a meme coin, guys, but when Pepe was exploding, it was at 100 million market cap, and then Coin Bureau made a video, and that instantly sent Pepe. After Coin Bureau made a video, you know, buying CZ got, you know, interested around that time, and then all of a sudden Pepe ran straight to 1.7 bill from 100 mil. Like, it didn't come down. I didn't see any retraces. I just saw all up only, right? So Coin Bureau mentioning Kas in a video, he's like one of the biggest YouTubers for crypto, if not the biggest, right? And I saw what happened when he talked about Pepe, right? Just as reference. So imagine he talks about Kas, right? It's crazy, man. And this is the thing, Coin Bureau is gonna look into it, man. He's gonna look into it and be like, wow, what is this? And you think Coin Bureau is gonna be like, you know, it's late? Nah, bro. It's not late to this one, man. And for the overall news, which is why Bitcoin is crushing it right now, from Bullrun Gravano, breaking news: the SEC has just approved the first leverage Bitcoin futures ETF. The first leverage Bitcoin futures ETF. Why didn't they approve the spot ETF first? That makes no sense. Leverage is more risky than spot. And then the SEC says, oh, we're trying to protect you and help investors. Nope, they're just trying to make money. They're just trying to fill the pockets of the corrupt system. But guess what? With Kaspa, we're fully decentralized. We're in control of our money. And that financial freedom that we get from Kaspa, they can't take it away from us. But this is good news for Bitcoin. Volatility Shares says its 2x leverage Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund will be based on CME Bitcoin futures prices, and the trading for that starts Tuesday, June 27th. Next week may be one of the most bullish weeks, and since this leverage ETF was approved, imagine, remember the BlackRock spot ETF, that means the BlackRock spot ETF will more than likely get approved as well, guys. It just makes sense that that's going to happen. From Wendy O, breaking leverage Bitcoin futures ETF approved. Bitcoin is trading over $31,000. The BlackRock Bitcoin ETF will most likely be approved, right? It just makes sense. If the leverage ETF is approved, the BlackRock ETF will be approved. Whenever that ETF news from BlackRock gets approved and it's breaking news, expect a God candle for Bitcoin. And again, since Kaspa is already bullish and super bullish without Bitcoin, remember when Bitcoin is bullish, a lot of the other projects in the space get bullish, right? So that's gonna just make Kaspa even more bullish to break out, you know, even though it doesn't need the fuel from Bitcoin. Just know, like, you know, Bitcoin is the lead market mover. When Bitcoin is bullish, a lot of other projects get bullish. That's just how altcoins work, right? So that's going to be a positive impact on Kas as well, and we're going to see this project keep sending, man. Jeez, man, this is it's so insane to me. I've never seen any project. I've been in crypto for a good amount of years, man, and I've never seen something like Kaspa, guys. I really, oh my gosh. Crypto Crib, the International Monetary Fund, says countries banning crypto may not be effective in the long run. That makes sense. Tell me that doesn't make sense. All the countries that are adopting crypto and Bitcoin, China, Russia, the BRICS nations, they're a step ahead of the US right now. So the US is realizing what's happening, and obviously they're gonna do their best to catch up, because if they get left behind this new innovation frontier, they're gonna, you know, lose the economic race. They're gonna lose the economic race, right? So they can't get left behind. That's probably why, you know, they tried to tank the markets a few weeks ago, and now all of this bullish news is happening because they're seeing what China and Russia are doing, right? But yeah, Caspians, this project, one of a kind, man. This is the unicorn for this cycle. $1 to $3 Kaspa incoming. If you could afford 10K to 100K, I'm telling you, not financial advice, get a nice bag like that, man. You know, if you only could afford 10K, you'd be like, oh, I can't afford more than 10K. Get that bag, get $10,000 for the top of the cycle, and be thankful for that, man. That's $10,000 that you could use for the next cycle, you know. And then we keep going, man. I'm telling you. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Kaspa and myself will be in the description. Also, the top link in the description takes you to my Patreon, where you get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Recently made some calls on there, and I'm telling you, we're gonna crush it. I'll be checking back with all you guys after the Patreon calls and be telling you, like, look at this, look at how much gains we made. Join the Patreon. So thank y'all so much again for watching. I'll catch you in the next